fighting for the second runners-up prize of 25,000 rupees.
This is a best of three with 3-minute round sessions.
Game by rules, there will be 3 rounds of 3 minutes, and there won't be any breaks in between the week for mechanical issues. So please control your devices. But and can we start everyone? Blacksmith, are you ready? Zigma, are you ready? And on my count, in 3, 2, 1, collide!
Both boats have same type of weapon. They have both wedges designed to lift the opponent. We'll see how these two carry
their
out.
homes, head on head, trying to push. But I think Blacksmith suffered severe injuries from the last battle.
Yes,
the
Baba.
battle, yeah.
And it means that Zigma is the heavier of the two boats.
And 2 boats, like the primal weapons are very
Flexible, flexible.
Yeah.
This is not balanced fight here.
Yeah, there's no size advantage. Oh, look at that. These are lifted. Both are speed, both are.
Both of the boats have gone through him in this stage.
That's true. All day they are going through very intensive fights.
We'll see if this is the last round.
Also lost one of his blades.
Yeah, the last round.
Yeah, back up and big hole is open. Look at the big hole is open.
1 minute is up and the big hole is open.
Yeah, we have 2 minutes left. And can we go for a count? 10. No, there's movement. Okay, 10. No. Blacksmith is fighting back, never giving up. I like the attitude.
Come on, trying to overpower Blacksmith right now.
They cannot even start a count. They're constantly moving.
They are trying to push each other into the pit. We'll see who will overcome
Count
him.
10, 9. No, there's movement. Blacksmith is trying to fight back. Look, easy enough for a person. That's not a
Good
person.
effort by Blacksmith. Good effort.
Count 10, 9. No, okay. 10, 9, 8, 7. No, there's movement by Blacksmith. He's trying
Both
to
the opponents not letting up,
Yeah.
beating the count.
This is for 25,000 rupees, Dilsha. Do you remember that?